Hey everyone, Robert here, a Generac factory trained technician with over 20 years of experience. Today we're doing something a little different, and this is my first pressure washing and detailing video, so bear with me. I originally wanted to make this a ASMR style video with all of the wonderful pressure washer sounds, but let's be honest, an electric pressure washer doesn't quite hit the same as the ones that burn dinosaur juice. So there's just something about an internal combustion engine that hits different. So that being said, today we're tackling a 22 kW Generac generator that's been living in Florida's heat and humidity. It's covered in mold, grime, stains, but we're going to bring it back to life. So let's get started. Before we dive in, here's what I'm using. An aircraft grade cleaner for breaking down tough grime and a foam soap for the fun part. I'm using an inexpensive pressure washer. It's not the strongest, but it gets the job done. Even with a lower pressure unit, keep in mind the pre-soak cleaner is powerful. If you're not careful, it can peel off some of the stickers on your generator and you may need to replace them after cleaning. Before you get started, always turn your generator to the off position if possible. The last thing you want is for it to start running mid-cleaning. Now, I get it. Some situations like life safety or data backup make it hard to turn off a generator, but if that's the case, use your discretion. But if you can shut it down, it's the safest and best approach before giving it a deep clean. I pre-mixed the aircraft cleaner at a 3-to-1 ratio, and trust me, this stuff is strong. If left too long, it can strip the stickers right off of the generator. I apply a thick coat and let it sit for a minute or two, just long enough to break down the grime, but not long enough to dry. If you're working in direct sunlight, rinse it off quickly to avoid streaking. For the first pass, I use a 25-degree nozzle on the pressure washer. This helps remove most of the heavy buildup while being gentle on the generator surface. While spraying, avoid aiming directly into the vents. Instead, angle the water downwards to minimize the risk of water intrusion. Take your time. This first pass will get a lot of the grime off, but some areas will need more attention. This is the part that I always look forward to. I load up my foam cannon, set it to medium output, and coat the entire generator in a thick foam. Let it sit for a couple of minutes to loosen any remaining dirt, then grab a soft, non-abrasive scrubbing pad and gently scrub the surface. This helps break down any stubborn stains while keeping the finish intact. Once everything is scrubbed down, I switch to a 15-degree nozzle for that final rinse. It helps remove any remaining residue and ensures a clean surface for waxing. So next, I dry everything off with microfiber towels and I make sure to wipe down the louvers and the inside panels to remove any trapped water before moving on to waxing. Now that the generator is clean, let's protect it. I use a cleaner wax, applying it in a circular motion. Think wax on, wax off. If you let it dry in the direct sunlight, good luck getting it off. So one panel at a time and buff it out while it's still fresh. This adds a layer of protection and makes future cleanings easier. If any Generac stickers came off during the cleaning, you can replace them with part number 0H2159A. It's about 20 bucks plus shipping. We also have some vintage Generac logos, so if you want to give your generator a custom look, reach out to us. If your generator is mounted on pebbles or bedding, you'll probably need to fill in some areas that got washed away. It's a bit of work, but seeing your generator look brand new again is totally worth it. If you don't have the time or ability to deep clean your generator yourself, we'd love to do it for you. Just reach out and we'll get it looking new again. And if your generator needs more than just a cleaning, whether it's maintenance, repairs, or an upgrade, we're here to help. If you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you. It means a lot that you took the time to watch, and I hope you found it helpful. We are committed to bringing you new videos every single week to help you keep your generator running smoothly. But I need your help. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Your input shapes what we create, and I'd love to hear your ideas. If you have a generous heart, donate or subscribe to the channel. It's free and it'll make both of us smile. My name is Robert and we're here to keep you powered no matter what. I'll see you in the next video.